I'm Simeon Chilvers from Cameron Design House, and we're a bespoke lighting company based in London. So we started this journey by first getting in touch with Chris to seeing if he would be at all interested in us being a part of his Chelsea garden, and we were thrilled to find out that he was. And then really the creative process started when we met with him. We talked about his ideas for the garden and some of the kind of drivers behind the design, and it was those drivers that really led us on the path to the final piece. So in the garden we have three pieces. One piece is one of our brass rings, which is attached to the wall. The piece is lighting a beautiful plaster artwork. The second piece is quite a subtle hung ring, which is going over some furniture. And then finally the main feature piece is a large brass sphere which has been sculpted with holes cut through it. And when you look at that sphere from one direction, it can seem quite ordered, then from another it suddenly becomes chaotic. Came out of some of the discussions we had about the garden as it moved from order to disorder as you sort of progress through it. With our feature piece, we were committed from the beginning to make it out of recycled brass, which we achieved. But it created lots of technical challenges. In fact, we had to learn a whole host of new processes to create it. First we had to form the piece out of wax, and from the wax we divided it into sections and created moulds around it. We then removed the wax and added brass in its place, and then broke the mould away, and that left us with a sort of solid brass blank which we could then machine and sculpt, and finally piece that together for a final finishing and polishing, which is another big part of it. And that's all hand processes as well, which creates really lovely quality. And it's the same hand processes we apply to lots of our pieces. And we find that the real value of hand work is in the finishing. So we've really enjoyed responding to this particular garden challenge and this particular garden design, and bringing our skills in bespoke lighting here. I think it's really important for all lighting to respond to the wider design, not create something that looks like it's been parachuted in from another world. So I think that's what we really focused on, making something that's properly integrated into the design and into the physical garden itself as well. Now we're really looking forward to seeing the piece installed, and we're really looking forward to getting feedback on it as well. Hopefully we'll get a great response,